Welcome to the episode 3 of ComfyUI tutorial series. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate images using Flux Kontext. In this video, we are going to change specific parts of an image while keeping the rest untouched, make edits that look natural and fit with the rest of the image, add or modify text within your image, and so on. Before starting, first let's talk about what is Flux Kontext. Flux Kontext is a breakthrough multimodal image editing model from Black Forest Lab that supports simultaneous text and images input, intelligently understanding image context and perform precise editing. Its development version is an open source diffusion transformer model with 12 billion parameters featuring excellent context understanding and character consistency, ensuring that key elements such as character features and composition layout remain stable even after multiple iterative edits. It has three versions. The first one is the Context Pro model, which is commercial version focused on rapid iterative editing. The Flux Kontext Max version is experimental version with stronger prompt adherence, and the Flux One Context Dev model, which we are going to use using ComfyUI, is an open source version used in this tutorial. It has 12 billion parameters mainly for research. Now let's start creating our workflow. Before that, please let me know in the comment who created Flux Kontext. Subscribe for more if you like the video so far. So in this video, we are going to use GGUF model. To download the model, just go to huggingface.com. I will put the link in the description to download it. So I am going to use Q6 model. Depending on your PC configuration and your VRAM, you can use whatever model you want. I have 12 GB of VRAM, so I am going to use Q6 model. Q8 also runs on my system, but it is little bit lower. And just click on download and go to models, go to diffusion models, put the downloaded model in this folder. Now we have to download the text and folder. So if you are using Q6, download the Q6 version. If you are using Q8, download the Q8 version. So I am going to download the Q6 version. So click on the download, put the clip encoder in the clip folder. I have already downloaded this model, so I am not going to download it again. And now we need clip one also, as we are going to use a dual clip encoder. We need this clip also. I will also download it and put this in the clip folder. So we also need the VAE safe sensor. Just click on download, go to the VAE folder and put the VAE in this folder. We are also going to upscale our image. We are going to use this model to upscale our image. So click on download and put the upscaler in the upscale model folder. I have already downloaded, so I am not going to download it. So after all the models are downloaded, we will now create the workflow. I will put all the download link for you in the description. We are going to need the 3 custom nodes for our workflow. So just click on manager and go to custom node manager and type rg3. Just download the rg3, and we also need the GGUF, ComfyUI-GGUF. Download this also. And the last one we need is the easy use. So download this by, check the author and everything and download this. After downloading these, just restart your workflow. Now let's get started with our workflow. So first I will just clear our workspace. Now we will first add the unit loader. We are going to use the GGUF model, so we need the unit loader. Now we will need a dual clip loader, as we are going to use the 2 clip. Now we need a clip text input. Now from here we will select Flux Kontext Dev Q6 model, as I am going to use the Q6 model. And from here I am going to select the clip 1, and we are going to change the type to Flux. Connect the clip to clip. Now we will need a load VAE. We will also add a flux guidance node, and we will also add conditioning zero out node. This one. We will also add the empty latent node. We will use the SD version. This one. Now let's connect this. Also we will add the K sampler node. We will connect the model to model, the flux guidance to the positive, and the conditioning zero out to the negative. As you have noticed, we don't need a negative prompt, as flux guidance does not need it. We will connect the empty latent to the latent image here, and now we will add the VAE decode node, and we will connect the VAE to VAE and the latent to samples. We will organize our nodes. Now we will add a clean VRAM node, so it should automatically clean our RAM After it has finished generating the image, now we will add a save image node. Now as you can see, this is the flow of the connection. Now we will create a 512 by 512 image. Now we will give a prompt glass bottle. We will now first create a simple image and now we will run it. As you can see, it has created a beautiful glass bottle with a simple prompt. Now I will just give the guidance to 2.5 and I have kept the CFG to 1. Now let's give it a prompt to create an abstract artwork. So I'm going to give this prompt and I'm going to give the image size by 1024 by 1024 and let's run it. As you can see, it has created a beautiful abstract image of a cat. Now let's give it another prompt. So I'm going to give it a prompt: a cute round rusted robot repairing a classic pickup truck, colorful, futuristic, vibrant glow with Van Gogh style. Now let's run it. As you can see, it has created a Van Gogh image, the prompt which we have given it. Now let's create a portrait image. So I have given this prompt. Now let's create the image. And now I am going to change the seed to 2025 and I am going to keep it as fixed. So now let's run it. So as you can see, it has created such a beautiful and detailed image with this prompt. Now I will save this workflow for you so you can use. I will put workflow in the Discord channel. So just join my Discord channel. The description is in the link. So through that link, you can join my Discord channel and get the workflow. Now we will create a image to image workflow. We will change the colors of the hair or any color of the house. So now we will convert this workflow to image workflow. So for that you have to add some nodes. So add a load image node and from here we are going to choose this image, add a Flux Kontext image scale and we will just delete this one, this connection. We are not going to use this node now. We will connect this image here. Now we will add a reference latent node and we will do some changes the connection in here. So we will add the connection here and now this connection will go from here and the connection will look like something like this. Let me make some space. So as you can see, the connection will look like something like this. Now from here we will add a VAE encode node and we will connect this here. And now we will also add a preview image node and I will connect it here. Now we will connect the VAE to here and we will connect the latent in this and also in the KSM. So as you can see the connection, I will save the workflow for you, so you don't have to do this, but it will be a good practice if you create the workflow by watching this tutorial along with me. I just want to change the color of the car, but I want to keep everything intact. So to do that, we are going to give the prompt, change the car color to red, and I am also going to add a compare node so we can compare the changes. So just add the compare image node and just input this here and also input it in the second channel and let's run the workflow. So as you can see, it has changed the color of the car. I will just make it bigger. Now let's compare it. So as you can see, only the car color has changed. All the details it has kept as it is in the previous image. So with Flux Kontext, you can use this basic editing and it is very powerful. Now let's do something new. Now I am going to load this image. As you can see, there is a object on the face. So we will tell the Flux to remove the object from the face. So we will just say the prompt, remove the object from the face. Now we will run the prompt. Now you can see it has removed the object from the face, and in this way you can use the Flux Kontext. It is very powerful. I really like this model and I think I am going to use this model in the future in some of my projects. Now let's test with some text. So let's use this image and I'm going to say joy replace with SFS. SFS is the short form of Sharp as a Check, which is my name. And if you are liking this video so far, please subscribe if you have learned anything. Now let's run it and see what we get. So after lots of test and try, now it is working. So what you have to do is just use this prompt to change any text. I have given the prompt, choose enjoy, change to like and subscribe, and give the exact spelling whatever given in the image. And as you can see, it has kept the color as it is and the font is also the same. So in this way you can change the text. Now I am going to show you how to upscale the image. So to upscale your image, we will add a upscale node and we will choose this NMKD upscaler. Now we will also add another K sampler. We will also add another node, that is upscale image node. We will add another node which is upscale image node using model. Choose this one. Now we will add upscale image by. Now after that we will add a VAE decode and VAE encode node. So the decode will come here and the encode will come here. Now we will also add a clean VRAM node again. So after this task is done, and now we will also add save image node. Now we will connect all this. So how to connect? Connect the model to model. Just connect how I am connecting, the same way. Now the K sampler has been connected. Now we will connect the upscaler and I will set this lensos and we will connect this latent here to here. Now we will connect this latent to sample and mesh to the save image. Now we will connect the existing VAE to here, this to this, and we will connect the output into the image. We will connect the clean VRAM after the VAE decode. Now we will set the CFG to 1, this to DPM and these to Paras, and we will keep the denoise to 0.8. You can keep the denoise to 0.75 to 0.95. Now let's create our new image. I will choose a different image from this. So I have created an image of an lion. Now I will change the weather. So how to change the weather? You need to give a specific prompt to change the weather. So I will give the prompt to, it is now snowing, everything is covered in snow, and for now I will just switch off the upscaler and let's run it. So earlier image was not working for me, so I changed the image to the car. That image was really low resolution. So as you can see, it has changed the weather and kept the car consistent, and the background is also consistent. I have changed the prompt to change the weather to snowy. So in this way you can use this Flux Kontext. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and let me know what video you want me to make. So now let's upscale this image. So I'm going to unbypass this and now I'm going to run it. So as you can see, our image has been upscaled to 4K. Here we can compare our image. As you can see, our image is more sharper. Tires are also look very sharp also. The eyes here. Number plate is also looking very good. So in this way you can upscale your image. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have learned anything from the video. And if you want my workflow, just go to Discord channel and in the workflow section or from episode 3 you can download the workflow from there. See you next time. Bye bye.